is a trombone chamber ensemble. We're a quintet or a quartet, depending on what the instrumentation of the piece calls for. And we're a chamber group that's been around for 12 years now. We're going to be using plungers to generate some interesting effects, as well as some other sounds that evoke creaking wood and wind.
We're doing a tour and playing at a lot of schools. We played at several colleges and several high schools. And in that case, it's more about education and kind of sharing our experience with other younger trombone players.